Hey there, how you guys doing? Today, I'm going to show you guys how to catch, I repeat, catch animals. Not hunt them, not like the crocodile hunter, catch them. Okay, first step, you got to find your weapons. You got weapons all laying all around you. I think alright, now we got to go find those little vermin. Follow me. Yeah, they could be all over the place. You never know. They're camouflage. Look around. You may find them. Like that, right there. Oh, no, never mind.
You gotta talk loud.
Alright. Right over here. You gotta be quiet now. You gotta be quiet. Right there, on that little log, there's a monster. It's huge for his size. It's huge. Right there. You see him? Okay, good. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of catching. First, you got to sneak over to him. Quietly. Okay, now, you got to find the best place for cover. Now, gotta be careful. There could be others looking around, waiting around. Okay, no one's there. Now, we'll be very careful. This is the triumph step. Sneak over there without making a sound. You gotta make sure you don't hurt yourself. Okay. Yeah. Alright. See? Got him. There's our prize. There he is. Now, be careful. There could be others looking around. These guys are known to travel in packs. And, oh my gosh, there's this guy! Where'd he go? Oh my God. You see that? See how deadly that guy was? That's why you gotta be careful. There's our prize. There he is. Oh God, I almost died. We gotta go back to the shelter. You know, get some first aid. Alright, see you later.